in the ultra high net worth strategies is like a lot of diversification. And why not, right? All these ultra high net worth individuals, they have tons of money, they need to diversify. But isn't that like similar to wealth management? What is the distinction between the two, the wealth management and the ultra high net worth strategies?
Well, I think the wealth management depends on what, yeah, the ultra high worth is defined like 30 million above. Obviously inflation changed a lot of stuff, but yeah, credit investors, 200K a year, 300K if married, and $1 million net worth, not including a single family house. That was actually, I think, 1980 when they came out with it, which with inflation would be like 2.5x. So it'd be basically 400 or 500 a year. I don't know exactly what year it was, but I've heard it was like late 70s, early 80s. So they've been changing stipulations because they just want sophisticated investors. Obviously, qualified investors 2 million, 2.2 million, or 2.1, and then qualified purchasers 5 million above in investable assets.